This is my attempt at making jammy eggs in an air fryer. TikTok told me to put them in for 9 minutes at 300 degrees. I followed the instructions, which is hard for me. So I took them out, put them in an ice bath, and then tried to peel them. I don't know if this is because I have a faulty air fryer, because I got it from Goodwill, or if this is a bad egg, who knows. So on to plan B. I decided to cure the yolk that escaped. I don't know where it thought it was going. And with the rest of the eggs, I put them back in for another 4 minutes. And then made a soy marinade for them. So I let them sit for 2 days, and they came out looking like this. Okay, so we finally got the jammy consistency. I think maybe I put too many eggs in the air fryer at one time, but I'm brand new to the air fryer community. I put them on top of my ramen, and with the cured yolk, it came out looking like a butterscotch candy, which reminded me of my Gigi because she would just have them all over the house. I tried to grate it, and nope, not gonna happen.